How to change your payment method on TradingView. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change the payment method on TradingView. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and then search for tradingview.com and make sure to log into your account. So after you're logged in, head towards your profile icon at the top right, click on your profile. From this menu bar, you have to go to account and billing. So under account and billing, scroll down a bit and under your subscriptions plan, there you will see your payment method that you have added already. If you want to change it, there you will find the edit or the pencil like icon. You have to click on it and then select your preferred payment method, that may be your credit card or your international card that you want to add into your account. Click on it and provide all the necessary details. After that, your payment method will be changed. Or if you want to remove some of or the payment method, there you will find an option to delete or simply cross icon. You have to click on it and then confirm it, and with that your payment method will be removed. So that's how you can change your payment method on TradingView, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.